Hello everyone, I'm Humera, a product designer from Artisan Craft, where I design cut files and printables. I sketch, draw, and create jewelry items for all occasions. I sell on platforms such as Etsy, Design Bundles, Creative Fabrica, So Fancy, The Hungry JPEG, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and I have my own website. In this series of video, I would like to share how I create, process, present, and sell my artwork. For cut files, I also test the files. Therefore, I'll show you the process how I test the files and the results. In this series of video, I would like to share how I make cut files, which are mostly SVG cut files. The product I want to start with, and it is also a design I'm obsessed with, and that is jewelry design. I'm designing and creating jewelry for a very long time, but the jewelry design I'm going to talk about is specifically jewelry made with the help of cut files. The cut files such as SVG or DXF can be used to cut jewelry from different materials such as leather or wood. The files can be used in different cutting machines, which are Silhouette Cameo, Brothers Can & Cut, and Cricut machine. The cut files can also be used in laser cutting machines such as Glowforge. In this series of video, I'll show you how I designed my earrings using best available cut file creative software, that is Illustrator. I will explain how I get the inspiration, build the design, perform a quality control before sending the file out for customer. Here are some examples of products made by our customers. You can see digital files and final earrings made by using die cutting or laser cutting machine by using different materials. I'll also talk about limitation and specification of designing the earrings in different materials, what step I take to make final product work with earring hardware such as hook or jump rings. So subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to make cut files and printables. Thank you.